Hey everyone, welcome back. If the BNZ app is not working properly, here's what you can do to fix it on your phone. This applies on the mobile app from BNZ Bank of New Zealand. First, check your internet connection and then open any another website or app to confirm your Wi-Fi or data if working. If their connection is weak, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Look for BNZ app. Don't just minimize it, just force close it from your recent app list, then reopen it. Next, restart your phone to clear temporary system glitches that may be affecting the app. Now go to the App Store or the Google Play and check for updates. Search for the BNZ Mobile Banking app. Then, if there is a new version available, install it immediately. Also, make sure your phone's operating system is updated, as older system versions can cause compatibility issues. If the app still does not work, uninstall and reinstall to remove the corrupted files. If the issue continues, it may be a temporary server problem. Wait a few minutes and try again. That's how to fix the BNZ app not working. Subscribe for more banking.